to another video. Before I get into this video, I know you guys want me to just get straight into the point. I would just like to say thank you guys so much for 171 subscribers. That means so much to me. I feel like we've come so far and we have so much progress to make. Oh, also, I'm sorry I've been gone for so long. You know, regular life things, and that's what was going on. I'm not gonna get too deep into that, but you know, regular life things. I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how you can make a cute little head wrap with just tights. So if you're having a bad hair day, your hair appointment isn't till next week, you could just do these cute little hair wraps. So let me get my bonnet on, but I would like to say you could use different colored tights. I would say that would be cuter instead of just using regular black tights, but I only have regular black tights, so it's just, that's all I can do. You can really give this look a look by adding a little spice to it, a little color. You know, just black is just too bland. Let's just get on into this tutorial. All right, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you guys so much for the subscribers. The views has been growing tremendously in my top 3 recommended videos. I do recommend you guys go watch them. I'll put them in the link. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.